Today we've got vegan butter chicken cauliflower wings. Which aren't cauliflower, or no, they are cauliflower. They aren't butter or chicken, but they are beautifully flavored. It's amazing. So these cauliflower wings are super easy to make, especially if you've already got some butter chicken sauce in the freezer. So after you've broken up the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces, we're gonna toss that with salt and oil. From there we throw it on the pan and toss it in the oven. Take them out, flip them, we'll fire them back in. Get them nice and crispy on the outside. Then it's time to toss them in butter chicken sauce. Get them nice and saturated. We fire them into the oven one more time just to thicken up the sauce and just have the perfect texture and color. I also tried a version of this where I tossed it in the sauce first. It didn't work out as well. The texture just wasn't quite as good, but it was a little bit easier. And then you're good to go. Last thing you need to do is put on some sliced almonds and some cilantro, assuming that you like cilantro. The almonds help with just add a little bit of texture, and it just pulls it together really nicely. The color as well, just a little bit of contrast. So enjoy.